Well, we're out here on the third day at Sportfish Panama Island Lodge. We made it a pretty long run to get from the lodge out to Hannibal Bank, and as you can hear in the background, the big dogs are getting put out. Rolled up to the high spot, caught some bonitas, and now we're gonna bump troll for some black and blue marlin, see what happens. There's a ton of bait on top of the high spot today. Water's blue, no red tide, looks awesome. After that, we're gonna hit up some inshore stuff, run around. We already found a couple dolphin on the way out on some floating logs. It's just gonna be, you know, take advantage of every opportunity we can find today and add some variety to the absolute tuna massacre that we've done the last 2 days. So check it out. We've got a couple other guys on the boat, Chris Fish and Bill Fish. Yep, that is their real names. And we're gonna put some fish in the boat and see what we can do. Check it out.
So you see, it's 125 feet.
That's a marlin?
It's a marlin, yeah. When the marlin bite, we're going to set the hook, okay? So you gotta hang on, because sometimes he jumped towards to us. So we need to go away, okay?
Okay.
So let's do it. Get ready.
We're ready.
Woo! So we're here at Gulf of Cherokee in Panama looking for marlin. We got a few bonitas there. We got one torpedo and one blue runners for like, could be like for dorado or sailfish, whatever we want to take, we take.
There you go.
There he is.
We got him. It was a good hit.
He didn't eat it though.
Smacked it. Yeah, good eye, Chris. Yeah.
Well, it wasn't hard to see. That thing was like a chin.
Facing the wrong way.
There he is. God, I saw that getting super nervous too.
Wow.
He came off of that short bait and blasted the long bait. Marlin or? No.
Could be tuna or dorado.
I would like to catch the tuna or dorado that was trying to eat this bait. It's a fucking large bait. I don't want to fuck up your bridle. Okay, where's the mullet snappers? Pipe's hard. We have a marlin. No, just kidding. It's a fish though. Got some juice to it, whatever it is. I don't know. It's a small tuna or something. Oh boy. No boy. Oh.
It's a mullet.
Really?
Yeah.
Big one. Mullet snapper. I knew I saw that. I knew I saw them. They were up. I should have thrown the plug when I saw them. Big ass one too. Nice one. Got him. Woo! That's a hammer. That's a stud. I should have caught it on the Twitchbait. No, when the bonitas were busting off to the side, the mullet snapper school came up in them and were busting the bait next to them.
Okay.
I saw there was
more there.
Yeah, there was a big pile of red there. Woo, that's a big one.
Yeah, he's here.
That's a stud. That's a stud. So we're pulling a live blue runner. Was that a blue runner?
Yes, sir.
Yep, live blue. Oh, marlin.
Oh.
All you needed was a snapper to bring him up. Beautiful mullet snapper. That's a chunky one. That's one of the biggest ones I've ever seen. Definitely the biggest one I've ever caught. So, ate a live blue runner. They were bump trolling in the spread. Same spread we put the marlin baits in, which is very nervous bonita right now. But there's a school of these. We were catching them a couple days ago on the Twitchbait. Had some awesome eats on them. This one ate a blue runner, but beautiful fish. Gonna let him go. SuperBraid 9, brand new line. Brand new line, SuperBraid 9.
That's the new house.
No, yeah. So this is a new braid, super smooth, great on conventionals or spinning. We got it on a couple of the spinning rods too. Been catching fish on it all week, putting it to the test. This line we've been testing for like 2 years. Caught a bunch of fish on it. High quality single strand in the middle, 8 smaller strands around it. Extremely durable, smooth, cast great. Just a great all-around higher carrier braid. You know, we do great with regular SuperBraid. It's a great line. It's a 4-strand. This is just a little bit smoother, a little bit better casting distance. Comes out at iCast this year. Check it out. For you? Okay.
Hold the fish to it.
All right. Nice catch. Nice catch. Yeah, that was mid-air. Damn it, I was hoping it was a snapper. It's a little baby yellowfin. Ain't that baby. On the new color Twitchbait. He's leaking. Jeez. Hold on. I gotta make it down here first.
Way to go, Chris. Man, he hit that thing hard, didn't he?
Yeah, it was a cool bite. I was hoping it was a mullet snapper, but that's fine. So I brought it to the back of the boat. Or actually, Mike brought it to the back of the boat, but. Okay. Again.
Okay.
I mean, blasted. There he is. I don't know. But fish. I don't think it's a bonita. No. Snapper. Nice. It's cubera.
Oh, 2 of them.
Net this one, please. He's barely hooked. Barely hooked. Oh, God. Get in the net. Come on. Stay tight. That's what I'm talking about right there. Barely hooked. One treble in the corner of the mouth. Dude, that was the second bite in 2 casts by cuberas. That's what I had the first cast too. It's a good one for a plug. I think, God, he hit that so fucking hard. Wow, look at that. Talk about a fish to test out the new color 3D Inshore Twitchbait. Beautiful cubera. Absolutely crushed this one. Fish on. Dad got a big old fucking cubera.
Solid work, buddy.
Damn, I can't believe that stayed hooked.
I know. I must have got 15 too.
Dude, I got blasted by one on the first cast. Just blasted. They were busting bonitas or something on top for a second. Wow. Holy shit, that's a hammer. Oh my God, that's a giant.
Look at that.
Look at the size of that thing. Holy shit, that's a hammer. That is a 40 pounder or more. Wow.
Chris fish.
Here, grab it. I can do it. Not a problem. Awesome, dude. 4 quad giant cuberas down at Sportfish Panama Island Lodge with Captain Juan and one of the best mates I've ever fished with, Big Mike, always putting fish in the boat for us. Chris Fish, Bill Fish, thanks for coming down with us.
Thank you. Absolutely.
And if you ever want to find a place in Panama to fish, this is it. This is as good as it gets. Sportfish Panama Island Lodge. Check them out online, visit their website and book a trip. It's the trip of a lifetime. You won't regret it. Be sure to like and subscribe because we're going to be bringing content to you on a weekly basis for both fresh and saltwater to show you the quality of our products, how to use them, and how to make yourself a better fisherman by picking up Yo-Zuri line and lures. Go and pick them up, like and subscribe, fish the best, fish Yo-Zuri.